Jerusalem, a city of deep historical and spiritual significance, holds countless treasures for the avid traveler and history enthusiast. Among its most captivating sights is the City of David National Park, an archaeological wonderland that offers a glimpse into the historic heart of Jerusalem.
Conveniently located just a 2 to 4 minute walk from the Dung Gate of the Old City of Jerusalem, the City of David National Park could easily be added to an itinerary that includes sites from the Jewish Quarter or the Western Wall.
The original inhabitants of Jerusalem lived not on the site of today's Old City, but on a narrow ridge descending from the present Temple Mount.
This is where King David captured the fortress of the Jebusites, a Canaanite tribe, around 1000 BC. On this slender spur, about 12 acres, David established his capital, which featured natural defenses from the Hinnom Valley to the south, the Kidron Valley to the east, and the Tyropoeon Valley to the west. Fresh water was supplied by the Gihon Spring, gushing at the site's foot. Besides David and his son Solomon, this would have been the stomping grounds for King Hezekiah, King Josiah, and the prophets Isaiah and Jeremiah.
Begin your journey at the City of David Visitor Center. Here, a 3D video presentation vividly brings biblical history to life and sets the stage for the incredible discoveries that lie ahead. The hall itself is designed to resemble public and royal halls from ancient times, immersing you in the ambiance of the era.
Next, you will encounter the ruins of a large stone structure believed to be the remains of David's palace. Clay impressions used for sealing documents belonging to high-ranking officials from King Zedekiah's court, the last king of Judah, were found near the structure, suggesting it served as the royal administration of Judah until the Babylonian destruction.
Moving deeper into the park, you'll arrive at Area G, a steep slope rich in biblical-era artifacts. Here you can see the supporting walls of what is believed to be King David's palace. The surrounding area close to the palace was likely inhabited by royal officials or wealthier people. One noteworthy discovery is a home with its own private bathroom, complete with an ancient toilet.
As you continue along the path, you will reach the entrance to the water system known as Warren's Shaft, named after the British explorer who discovered it.
Nearby is the Gihon Spring, Jerusalem's original water source and one of the largest springs in the region.
Eventually, you'll get to the point where you will either take the Canaanite Tunnel, a dry path that'll take a brief couple of minutes to walk through, or Hezekiah's Tunnel, the wet path, where the water could get up to 2 feet deep, which could take anywhere from 20 to 40 minutes, depending on how busy it is.
The Canaanites originally used the tunnel to channel the waters of the Gihon Spring to a storage pool south of the city. If you take the Canaanite Tunnel, you will emerge outside, where you can view the ancient walls of Jerusalem. These walls, compared to the Old City, are significantly older. Eventually, this path converges with the point of exit from Hezekiah's Tunnel, offering a seamless continuation of your journey through history.
For many, one of the highlights of the City of David National Park is Hezekiah's Tunnel. Built in the 8th century BC, this 533-meter tunnel is a testament to ancient engineering prowess. King Hezekiah commissioned the tunnel to divert water from Gihon Spring into the city, preparing Jerusalem for an Assyrian siege.
The tunnel winds through solid rock, with water often reaching knee-high levels. A reliable flashlight is essential, and be prepared to get wet. The journey through the tunnel, with its narrow passages and visible chisel marks, is a tangible connection to the past.
Emerging from Hezekiah's Tunnel, you'll find yourself at the Pool of Siloam. This large pool, discovered in 2004, played a significant role in the daily and religious life of ancient Jerusalem. It served as a ritual bath for Jewish pilgrims in the 1st century and is famously mentioned in the New Testament, where Jesus healed a man born blind. Coins found in the cement provide archaeological evidence that the pool was used in Jesus' time.
The pool's extensive stone steps, which date back to the 1st century BC, invite you to sit and reflect on the myriad of pilgrims who once gathered here. From the Pool of Siloam, visitors can walk a section of the Herodian Street, now also below ground level, that hundreds of thousands of Jews use 3 times a year to ascend to the temple during pilgrim feasts.
A visit to the City of David National Park is more than a tour. It's a journey through history, culture, and faith. The park not only showcases the remarkable engineering and urban planning of ancient Jerusalem, but also connects you to the stories and events that have shaped this timeless city. Whether you're walking through the tunnels, contemplating at the Pool of Siloam, or exploring the ruins of the potential palace of King David, the city of David offers an unforgettable glimpse into the history of Jerusalem.